happy there? Uy! You're moving backwards. Yeah. No.
You get wet feet if she's on the grass.
She's not on the grass. She's on the concrete.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna plant this direct because it says can live with the frost. Yeah. To make it bigger. Tanim na rin natin to, guys. Bango din pala to. Hi. You okay? Gonna burn your face. Ang dami nating plants. Bibili. Ito dati na to. Tatanim ko na sa lupa. Ayan. And this. Itong rose ay ating balatan. Are you okay? Sabi ko pa naman, parang ayoko ng mga raming rose. Tapos rose ang aking nabili. So good deal na to, guys. 1 pound. Magkano kaya to dati? Ah, $4.99 pala siya dati, oh. So ito yung mga hindi nabenta nung anong season yun? Women's, International Women's Day yata. Tsaka Mother's Day siguro. Kailangan na nilang itanim. Ito pa yung isa white. Huh. Dami naglalaro sa labas kaya medyo maingay. So ikakat lang natin itong unhealthy plants. So isa lang pala siya. Parang ang bango. Ito. Ang bango niya. Ang bango nito. Magkano to dati? Reduce. Let's see how much. The rose, it is $4.99 before. The rose, $4.99.
$4.99.
Yeah. And this,
You got it cheap.
1 pound. 1 pound each. And this one is $1.49. So 49 less.
You got for 53 or something like that.
1
Okay.
pound. Ay, ang bango. Smells so good. Ang init. Ating baby ay nakaano din naman sa camera. Nakaabang. So, sa malaking pot na to, guys, ito ang itatanim natin. Ako ito kasi dito. Pag spring siya, sana next year, ano na siya, puro flowers lang. Wala na siyang leaves. Tayo magtanim na, guys. Sakit sa ulo, nakatapat tayo sa araw. Natin ang bato. Tira. Bulati. Ano ko, salay na natin to. Lalagay namin to, guys, doon sa harap. Para gumanda yung ating harap ng bahay. Ayan. Sa liwa. Sa liwa ang ating pwesto. Gonna do it now? Yeah, but it's gonna be heavy. If you're gonna water now, you better water when it's there. Heavy?
No.
A little. It's nice. Okay. Are you okay? You're burning your face? Yeah, I think that's enough. don't forget this. Or we don't need this. I know what is that.
You know, to be,
Save the pots. Can use the pots for later for some plants. Okay, thank you. Ano pa ba? Itatanim natin. I want to direct plant this. Tanim na natin ito. 3. I think this will come here. Ay! You made the grass wet. This is here. Yeah. And, saan kaya tong isang white? Parang dito. Dito. Okay. You okay there? Ating baby nasa initan. Ayos din pala tong binili na to ni Mister. Yan, para nakatago yung bulb. Bulate. You good? So, iniisip ko guys, saan ko itatanim ito, oh. Itong malago. Tsaka itong isa. Ito. So, ito. Ito sa gilid siguro. Tsaka itong isa. So, dito na lang natin ito itatanim. Angat dun sa dulo, may bato. Yan. Sana lumago. Tanggalin natin to. Ito guys, ito ko to ilalagay sa loob. What's wrong? Oh, this is so wet. I'm coming. So, ito pa guys, tatanim pa natin to. Kaso ang ating baby ay, hello, niligalig. So, ito maganda to eh. Hello. Tanim pa natin to. I'm gonna plant this, Michaela. Ay, tabunan. Palikod. Ay, hindi ko mapaghiwalay. Oh, shucks. Kadikit pala to. Hello, Ama's here. Parang ito guys, ay dito ko na lang sa brown na paso itatanim. So, I think bagay naman siya dito for now. Saka ko na lang siya ililipat siguro. Wala pa siyang space kasi pag sa ano natin tinanim. Sa may bakod. Kaya sa paso na lang muna. Yan. I think mas bagay siya dito sa paso. What?
She's not doing it. But she knows how to.
How to crawl? I
I'm
think
going to go and get some bread
the best for now here is here.
and some milk. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else you need?
No, can wait till tomorrow.
Cookies?
I don't what enough for cookies. I think I'm eating too much sugar. Shadow.
Door open and closed.
I think you best leave it open for the. Yeah, it's too hot. Yeah, inside. Init sa loob ng ating house. Nag-garden din yata sa kabila. Saka ko na to ililipat pag yung at. So, tapos na to guys. So, dito na muna ito sa tabi ng tulip. What's wrong? So, ito guys, dito naman sa kabilang pots. Yan. Tapos ito, diba? Pag may flowers na to, maganda na to. Yan, okay na to guys. Okay na to. Char. Diba? O, dito yan. Itong rose ang naisip kong mabuti saan ko sila itatanim. Bago matuluyan. Puro dito. And dito. Itong white. Dito na lang to. White. Okay, tanim na natin. Yan, ang ganda na guys. So, ganyan na ang itsura guys ng ating garden. Papa din siyang bungi-bungi. Pero pag naglaguan na yan is, gaganda na yan sila. So, ayan. And then yan. Tsaka yun. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko ito itatanim. Ligalig ang ating baby. Itatanim ko na rin pala to guys. So, bali 3 ano pala to plants. Dito, isa-isa. Last na guys. Sa loob ko rin itatanim. Ililipat ko yung isa sa loob banda. Ito na lang. She crying?
Eh? No. I decided you were missing taking some chocolate.
So spoiled. Is that hose is on?
Eh?
Could
The
you take
hose?
this there? Ay, tayo magdilig na guys. To. Tagal bago pumili. Not yet. I haven't even started yet. Haven't even started yet.
turned down, you see.
This one?
Yeah. The other one. The other way.
Ang ganda. It's nice.
That's all wash the flags, but we can do them after.
We can do later. Ang isa. Ano ba to? Kaintindihan. Ganda. Ay! Kabitin.
Turn it to the fat square.
And this is enough.
Just say, put it on the fat square.
Oh. Eh!
No, the fat square.
Eh!
Yeah. And then put that on at full. Put the fat square on. And then put it on at full. And you get lots of water.
What about this? Ay,
No,
so
that's
strong.
too powerful. That's mist.
Get away there, my video. Blocking my video. They're sad. I broke the bud, this one. Hope so. They're looking nice, na. They're looking nice. And crowded. Well, some of that will die soon, isn't it? Some of the plants will die soon. During winter. Huh? Yeah.
There'll be a lot more when I start to use the little.